Dear student, today we learn greatest common divisor means GCD or highest common factor means HCF. मित्रांनो आज आपल्याला मसावी म्हणजे काय हे बघायचं. HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number that divides each of the numbers without leaving any remainder. Or HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly. HCF or GCD of the given numbers is their greatest common divisor or greatest common factor. Suppose we have to find the HCF of two or more given numbers. Step first, find all the factors of each of the given numbers. Second, find their common factor. Third, the largest of the common factors is the HCF of the given numbers. Now we take example. Suppose we have to find the HCF of 24, 40 and 56. We have 24 is equal to 1 into 24 or 2 into 12 or 3 into 8 or 4 into 6. Therefore, factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3. These are the factors of 24. Now, second number is 40. 40 is equal to 1 into 40 is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to 4 into 10 is equal to 5 into 8. Therefore, factors of 40 is equal to, factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4. These are all factors of 40. Now 56. 1 into 56 or 2 into 28 or 4 into 14 or 8 into 7. Therefore, factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4. These are all factors of 56. Common factors of 24, 40 and 56 are 1, 2 is also common factor, 4 is also common factor of all numbers, and 8 is also common factor of all numbers for 24, 40 and 56. Means common factors of 24, 40 and 56 are 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8 is highest common factor. So highest common factor means HCF of 24, 40 and 56 are 8. Now second method, SCF by prime factorization method. Suppose we have to find the SCF of 42, 63 and 105 by prime factorization method. 42 divided by 2, what we get? 21. Again 21 divided by 3, what we get? 7. Again 7 divided by 7, 1. Now 63 divided by 3, 21. Again 21 divided by 3, what we get? 7. Again 7 divided by 7, what we get? 1. Again 105 divided by 3, 35 is the remaining. Again 35 divided by 5, what we get? 7. Again 7 divided by 7, 1. Now factors of 42 are 2 into 3 into 7. 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. These are prime factors of 42, 63 and 105. Now take common factors. 7. Again 3 is also common factor. So 3 and 7 are common factors of all these numbers 42, 63 and 105. So HCF is equal to 3 into 7 is equal to 21. If one of the given number is the divisor of all the others, then it is the SCF of the given numbers. For example, 18 is SCF of 36, 54 and 90, because 18 is the divisor of all above numbers. If no prime number is common divisor of all the given numbers, then 1 is their SCF, because it is the only common divisor. 1 is SCF of 9, 14 and 25. 9 equal to 3 into 3. 14 equal to 2 into 7. 25 equal to 5 into 5. No prime number is common except 1 is a common divisor. Hence SCF equal to 1. 2 is SCF of any two consecutive even numbers. For example, first 4 and 6, second 28 and 30. These are even consecutive number, so their SCF is 2. 1 is SCF of any two consecutive odd numbers. For example, 7 and 9. Second example, 55 and 57. Therefore, SCF is equal to 1. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their SCF is 1. For example, 8 and 9. Second example, 21 and 25. These are co-prime numbers. Therefore, SCF equal to 1.